This is you. One alarm, one promise. 5 a.m. for 7 days. No snooze, no excuses. Just you and a very loud clock. Day 1. The good part, the world is quiet. No messages, no noise. But the bad part, your brain feels like it's still sleeping. You're awake, but not really alive. Day 2. The good part, you finish small tasks early, before everyone else wakes up. But the bad part, around noon, your energy crashes. Hard. Day 3. The good part, your body starts adjusting. Mornings feel less painful. But the bad part, nights feel shorter. Sleep becomes more precious. Day 4. The good part, your mornings feel clear. No rush, no chaos. But the bad part, the silence feels strange. Too quiet sometimes. Day 5. The good part, you feel momentum. You start moving before the sun. Energy feels real. But the bad part, the snooze button still whispers. Every morning.
Stupid alarm. I have a bad feeling about today.
Day 6. The good part, you feel in control. Mornings don't scare you anymore. You wake up before the alarm.
Fresh mind, feeling good.
But the bad part, your body still negotiates. Every single night. Day 7. The good part, you proved you can do it. You're not controlled by the clock anymore. But the bad part, now you must decide. Keep this routine or go back to comfort. So 7 days. 7 early mornings. Some were painful. Some were peaceful. Waking up at 5 a.m. isn't magic. It doesn't change your life overnight. But it teaches you something simple. You can do hard things if you decide to. Keep the routine or change it. Just make sure you are the one choosing.